Hello guys, I'm Gani here. On today's video, I just want to share with you how good English people who hold 90 to 100 TOEFL score. So the person is me, myself. I'm a holder of TOEFL iBT. The score is 91. I have 25. I got 25 on reading, 24 on listening, 22 for speaking, and then on writing, this is the lowest one is 20. So I got this score, and to be honest with you guys, this 20 is I should get better for writing because I'm a blogger. I'm writing since 10 years ago. Even if today I'm never writing again, I never write a blog again, but back in past 3 years, I'm daily writing something, anything on my blog, on my website, anything. So actually it's really disappointing for me. I'm disappointed for this 20 score, but never mind. So I'm the 91 holder to TOEFL iBT score, and here what I talk, here how I speak. I believe if you're still watching my video, you could understand what I'm saying. Wherever you are, whoever you are, I believe you could understand, even if my grammar, even if my verbs is not really cool or not really good, not really well, but I believe you could understand. Okay, so in terms of communication, the 91 holder, which is me, the 91 TOEFL score holder, in terms of communication, in daily communication, I got no problem at all. Especially nowadays, because I believe nowadays we communicating. Most of our communicate today is or are text. Yes, I believe most of our conversations today, how you contact your friend, your colleague, most of the time nowadays is text basis. I don't have any problem English with text, especially today we have ChatGPT, easy Google Translate, and so on and so on. So once again, in terms of communication, daily, in business, in friendship, in family or friend, anything, I have no problem at all. Even if I admit that my grammar, my verb, and my pronunciation would be confusing for you who are native in English, especially for you British or American. I believe you would. It might be you confused a little bit, but still I confident that you could understand what I'm saying. If you don't, please put on the comment below. You don't understand what I'm saying, you just put on the comment below. Tell me which conversation or which talking that you couldn't understand what I'm saying. Okay, once again, in terms of communication, I have no problem at all, but if you disagree, put on the comment below. And the next thing is I want to highlight in the formal or academic circumstances, such as talking to big people or writing an academic things. I'm not so confident about my English, so I have to improve my TOEFL score, maybe to 105, 110. But once again, for 91 or 90 to 100, I believe I'm ready to go to English country. I'm so confident. But if talking about formal communication, formal nuance, formal circumstances, or academic circumstances, I'm not so confident today, but I don't know in the future. So that's it, guys. This I want to share with you. I believe you are here because you are reaching for TOEFL or IELTS, and you are, maybe perhaps you try on your attempt for scholarship. I hope you good luck. I hope you can have a good luck. See, I'm managing to construct the words not really good, but I think you have the idea. Okay, thank you so much, guys. If don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.